Activating Zelle with Discover Bank allows you to send and receive money quickly and securely. Here's how to activate Zelle with Discover Bank. Log into your Discover Bank account. Visit the Discover Bank website or open the Discover mobile app on your smartphone. Log into your account using your username and password. Navigate to Zelle. Once logged in, navigate to the Zelle section of your account dashboard. This may be located within the Payments or Transfers menu. Enroll in Zelle. If you haven't already enrolled in Zelle, follow the prompts to enroll. You'll need to provide your email address or mobile phone number associated with your Discover Bank account. Verify your information. Verify your email address or phone number to confirm your identity and enable Zelle for your Discover Bank account. Accept Zelle terms and conditions. Review and accept the terms and conditions for using Zelle with Discover Bank. This may include agreeing to Zelle's service agreement and privacy policy. Set up recipients. Once activated, you can add recipients by entering their email address or mobile phone number. You can now send money to other Zelle users directly from your Discover Bank account.